Couple mods down. We're gonna try this shit as the grate. First I had some 1/8 inch rods there. They melted right the hell through first time I used it. Then I had some galvanized pipes set on an insert, and then 2 of those melted out catastrophically. The third one's not so bad, but yeah, that doesn't help. Hopefully this works better. Now we just made some new bricks for my forge. Blocked up the back, made my nice little bird nest. Finally got an elbow for the back to make my nice little chimney stack. I have the fan blowing some air out the chimney to catch something. I'll show you go back. There's my wood handle pile, a bunch of walnut. There's another brick I made. I had this all jimmy rigged to where it was all pieced together with this crap. Went and bought one, and I'm gonna show you guys how if it works or not. Oh crap, I gotta empty my cool box. Oh, did you see that puff of ash come out too?
No, I didn't.
Right when I kicked it on, all that white shit fucking kicked up out of it. There we go. Now the fire's going. I hear you, good lord.
Oh yeah, you got some air moving now. That's what we did last time, just covered that big monster in coal dust.
Once it works its way through that, it can have some candy.
Candy is dandy. I don't even remember any of the other ones when they're half baked, when they're buying all the drugs from Samson. What is it? What else did he say? He's like, candy is dandy. Oh, look at that fucking smokestack.
I know, it's fucking awesome.
There you go, I was gonna say.
It's working. Hoo hoo. It's still fucking coming out everywhere, but that's definitely helping better than
Oh yeah.
it was without that corner on there.
Was trying to bend it down a little more.
Actually, that's yeah.
Oh, did you burn the cardboard door?
Yeah. I was looking for replacements that's a little more durable.
You know, it's not even so bad now, Mike. You got some fire going. Fire's burning the smoke.
And no, look, it's pulling back towards the hole. Straight up.
Oh yeah.
Got some draw now.
What are you gonna heat up?
I need to re-weld shit first.
Oh, I'll put it all back up. Oh yeah, that's hot.
No wood left at all. Maybe that stump.